Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get money back from Cash App stocks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to take money back from stocks, you have to sell your stocks. First, go ahead and open Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're inside, tap on bank icon at the bottom left corner. You will see your current balance here, and you will see Save and Invest tab. Under this, you will see Stocks section. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see your current stock holdings. Simply select the stock you want to sell. On this page, tap on Sell button, and then it will ask you to confirm your identity. After that, choose how many shares you want to sell. You can either sell all your shares or just a portion depending on your preference. Once you've made your selection, tap on the Next button. Cash App will then show you a confirmation screen with all the details, including the estimated amount you'll receive. Double-check everything carefully, and when you're ready, tap Continue to complete the sale. After the transaction is complete, the money will be added to your Cash App balance. Depending on the market, this might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Once the funds are available, tap on your balance and select Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose between a standard transfer or an instant transfer, which comes with a small fee. Make sure your bank account or debit card is properly linked so the transfer goes through smoothly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get money back from Cash App stocks. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.